Hi folks, this is a stray. Come on! A few days ago, this dude, actually I don't even know if it's a boy or a girl, just was found running up and down the county road. In fact, a friend of mine who had gone to get her mail in her four-wheeler came all the way up to my place, and I'm a mile from the mailbox in a different direction from her, because she thought it was my dogs. Come on, buddy. And he'd been seen, he or she, had been seen running around. Well, I just got a text from my neighbors who are about a half mile from me. Oh, lifting a leg like a boy. Asking if I wanted another Pyrenees. Oh, and look what I just came across. Yeah, there's some bluebonnets. Yeah. Well, I grabbed a leash and a couple collars, and this guy doesn't even have a collar on. Definitely friendly, but would not go in my truck. Absolutely could not get him to go into my back of the truck. So my neighbor, she gave me some luncheon meat to try, and nope. I did manage to catch him, but he fought me. And I think he's tame. I think he's used to people handling him. He's just scared. He doesn't know who I am. So I live a half a mile from these neighbors. So come on. I left my truck there to try and see if I could get this boy to come with me. And that maybe when he sees my dogs, he will want to go say hi. So that's what we're doing. Come on. So she gave me the rest of the luncheon meat that she had. Well, she has more in the freezer, so she's not out. And so I'm just sitting here walking down the private road I live off of, trying to get this boy. And I'm assuming it's a boy because it lifted its legs. I have not looked to see if this boy will follow me home. And so far it's working. It's funny, he jumps up in the air wanting the luncheon meat. That's really funny. Today is one of those drizzly, rainy days. Not hard rain, just the drizzle. So, and as you can see, it's greening up. Yeah, come on, boy. Oh, he sees the goats. Come on. Oh, I see Sarah over there. Come on. Oh, it's hard walking and holding a phone camera at the same time. Come on, boy. Ooh, that chicken wants far away. We made it. Well, I'm gonna deal with this boy, and make sure Prairie's barking now. He knows that this is her territory, so he's being respectful, letting her check him out. He's watching those goats. The goats are right here. Hey, where did I throw the... Maybe it got eaten. I threw the luncheon meat I was holding on the ground. Well, I think I'm going to go through the other gate and leave him here and see what happens. Okay, the dog just got some water to drink. It's been rainy all day, kind of drizzling, so all the dogs are in bad shape. But this dog, I've seen it trying to chase chickens. And I finally got a collar. And I'm keeping a leash because I have no idea if the dog's ever been around livestock. But dog's acting fine. You know what? I can't walk that way. We got to walk this way. My goats, on the other hand, are not too sure about this dog. They don't know this dog. Yeah, you're going to have to learn to stay away from lawnmower. Yeah, you're acting pretty good. You're acting pretty good. And there's Sarah. Well, it's good. I mean, not pulling on the leash. Wanting to sniff goat behinds, but nothing else. So this is pretty good. I did call the sheriff's office and no one has reported a missing Pyrenees. And I posted on my Facebook page. But honestly, there's a lot of I don't know, suspicions, red flags, whatever, that this could very well be a dumped dog. So, I'm not sure. I talked to the neighbor, and the dog had been fed earlier in the day, but the dog would not go up to their porch. I did feed all my dogs. I fed, because I wanted to feed this one. At least, we don't know if the dog's gotten food while loose or not. Not really much to drink in there. And I wanted to make sure that this dog had, wasn't hungry. Well, the dog's doing really good, but that doesn't mean I trust the dog alone with the goats. Oh yeah, let's go this way. It'll be easier. You gonna go that way? Of course, right now the dog's just checking the place out. This is all new to the dog. Well, I'm gonna shut this down. And yeah, I may or may not have a new dog. We'll see how it goes. Just got to take it day by day.